Hello, moms! Life can throw unexpected financial surprises your way. Whether it's a medical emergency, job loss, or unexpected home repair, being prepared can make all the difference. Here are some essential tips on how to handle financial emergencies without too much stress. First, build an emergency fund. Start small by saving at least $500. Gradually build this up to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account. Use windfalls like tax refunds or bonuses to boost your fund. Make sure you have adequate insurance for health, home, and car to protect against major financial hits. Review your policies regularly to ensure they meet your needs. Be aware of any government assistance you might be eligible for in an emergency, such as Centrelink benefits. Cut non-essential spending to free up money for urgent needs. Review your budget and identify areas to cut back, like dining out or entertainment expenses. Pausing subscriptions and memberships can also save money temporarily. Prioritize essential payments first, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. If you're struggling, contact your creditors to work out a payment plan or temporary relief. Use credit wisely, opting for low-interest options like personal loans or low-interest credit cards, and avoid payday loans due to their high interest rates and fees. Seek help if needed. Financial counseling can provide valuable advice and support. Financial counselors can help you create a budget and manage debts. Community resources like food banks and utility assistance programs can also provide temporary help. Key points to remember: build an emergency fund, start small and automate your savings. Cut back and prioritize. Reduce non-essential spending and focus on essential bills. Use credit carefully. Choose low-interest options and avoid payday loans. Seek help if needed. Don't hesitate to seek financial counseling and community support. Handling financial emergencies is about being prepared and knowing your resources. With these tips, you can navigate unexpected expenses with less stress. Stay strong, moms. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute professional financial advice. Please consult with a financial advisor or a qualified financial counselor before making any decisions regarding financial emergencies.